Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we've got a new vlog for this also, yeah, and part of the audio, right? So I think you already know the title of the video, and also you see it already in the thumbnail, and also the title of the video, right? So yes, today is gonna be some Apple devices. Okay, so I think most of the tech YouTuber and also tech enthusiasts and also tech hobbies, right? So rely onto the ecosystem of the Apple, right? So iOS, right? And it's also this one right here. These two Apple devices is you can be used, right, as a MP3 player, right? So these are my old iPhones, right? So this is the iPhone 5C, and which is just like look like an iPad Touch, right? So this is an iPhone 5C. So I think iPhone 5C means is 5 different colors, right? So what I remember, so the color is this one is pink, orange. Okay, it's orange. So okay, I'm just color blind. Okay, sometimes. Okay, yeah, and we get the orange color of the iPhone 5C, and it's also I've got right here is the iPhone 6s, right? So these two are old iPhones, right? So but there's one thing you shouldn't know is because if you don't have any MP3 player, you can use old iPhones into you can convert your old iPhones into an MP3 player, right? So since the audio quality of the iPhones are really great, and also I love it also. So I am cross, what is this called, cross ecosystem, right? So I am using Android, I am using iOS, Apple, I'm using Linux, Chrome OS, Mac OS, right? So many operating systems. So that is the meaning of the ecosystem. So bunch of if you are using one product if you are using one product, and one product is converted to all kinds of devices they have, right? So such like an Apple, so they have just like an Apple, they have the MacBook, what is that one, the bigger, the computer, the Mac computer, yeah. And also they got some tablet, okay, so iPad. So they don't want to call tablet, right, the iPads. So they are iPad, right? So they not a tablet. So that I don't know why. So and also they have some phones, right? And there's also another devices just like an Apple Watch, that's like that one, yeah, wearable app, Wear OS, right? So yeah, okay. So right for today is got some this one right here. This is the iPhone 5C, and it's also the iPhone 6s. So little you didn't know that your old Apple phones, you can be used as a MP3 player. So see, this has a 16 gigabyte of memory, or internal memory, which is also a really good one, is because all of my songs are ripped into a smaller bit of a memory, right? So I rip all of the songs, and then decrease the memory of the MP3 format, right, of MP3 file. So yeah, I have a software of it. So yes, and if you want to DB Power Amp, okay, I forgot that DB Power Amp, I think, yeah. And it's also that is the one that I'm using for extracting all of my songs. And also I got a bunch of music in my old laptop Toshiba. So that is my main, but the laptop that I am using right now is a new one, which is also Windows 11, and also I also using my Chromebook, right? As also, yes, perfect for ahead of time. So these phones are ahead of time, right? So yeah, so if you didn't know that all iPhones can be used as a MP3 player, right? So yeah, just like this one, this is just like a what is it called, MP3 player, right? So compare into the, compare into the iPad Touch, right? So I have an iPad Touch. So compared to the iPad Touch, they are a good MP3 player if you don't want to use it anymore, right? So yeah, if you don't want to use it, so, and also you can put some SIM card on it if you really want, right? So yeah, if you want to use, but if you want to use this only for music, this will be a good one, is because the quality of the audio is so loud, is so clear when you are using an earphones, right? So the wired one, yes, the wired one. So don't use earbuds or headphones, right? So since the quality of the music is really not good when are you using headphones or earbuds, wired earphones is pretty good. Wired earphones is pretty good for using as a music for this one. So I've been using this when I am still in the Philippines. So I've been using iPhone as an MP3, right? So since I am using this, since I am using already this as an MP3, so this is a good one. So yeah, and also the iPhone 6s also is you can also be used as a MP3 player, right? So they are ahead of time now. So since Apple is now descending into rising into the world of like that one. So yeah, it's still in a good condition, like that one. So yeah, there's a tempered glass on it, right? So this is the iPhone 6s with the space gray color, I think. Yeah. And it's also a really good for music also if you really want to. Yeah. So older iPhones are good, so are good options for MP3 player also, right? And as you don't have to buy any MP3 player if you want to, right? So yeah, so if you want to save up money, if you have an older iPhones, yeah, this one is perfect, like this one. So this one is perfect. So these two are great. So these two are great options if you really want to have a MP3 player, right? So yeah, so I think mostly all of you using Apple products, right? So mostly all of you using Apple products. So this one right here is too. Recommendation, if you really want to have an MP3 player, you can use your old iPhones, right? So if you are having an iPhone 4, iPhone 3, iPhone 2, right, or the first iPhone, right? So that's one is good. iPhone 6, iPhone 5, iPhone 5C, or if you're iPhone 7 or iPhone 8, right? So yeah, don't ditch it, don't throw it away, because if you're gonna throw something like this one, you are throwing also money, right? So yes, it is also a really good options if you really want to have an MP3 player, right? So two options right over here. These are good for MP3 player, which is the iPhone 5C, and also is also iPhone 6s, right? iPhone 6 or 6s. Okay, so this are really good options for MP3 player if you really want to have. But iPhone 6 is too big, you like that one, yeah. So I recommend some iPhone 5C or older iPhones like iPhone 4, like that one, iPhone 4 or iPhone 3. Yeah, that is a good option for MP3 player if you really want, if you really want some iPhone, right? So iPhone is a really good for music, right? So but since it's ahead of time right now, so because some of the tech bloggers are upgrading into the latest version, right? So they got now the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, what is that one, iPhone 17 Pro, blah blah blah, right? So why does it have like that? So what is the difference, right? So yes, just like this one, iPhone 5C is a good for MP3 player, or iPhone 4, right? So they are smaller than 6, right? They're smaller than 6, but this type of iPhone iPhone 5C is a really good option for an MP3 player, right? But if you are having some, just like an iPhone 6 or iPhone 7, yes, you can still use it as an MP3 player. But for my recommendations is this one right here is so small, right? And it's also perfect, and also you can put it in your pocket, right? So side pocket, jeans side pocket. So it's also a really good one. It's also perfect for everyday music, right? Everyday MP3 player if you really want, right? So yes, iPhone 5C is a great options, right? Or recommendations that I give it to you for your alternative MP3 player, right? So it also has a camera on it, and also has a camera on the front, and which you can use it taking pictures if you want, right? So the quality of this, I don't know the quality of the picture for this one, because I haven't used the picture for this one. So I haven't used the picture for this one. So I'm gonna have to try that. I'm gonna have to try that one. Yeah, just like a vintage camera, right? So if you really want some, yeah, if you can see it clearly, got a good options for the camera, right? So gonna have to, like this one, yeah, some kind of a vintage, right? So some kind of a vintage retrospective of pictures can be output for the one, but for okay, where okay, but for this one, I think iPhone 5C is a better option or recommendation that I gonna be giving to you as an MP3 player, right? So, alright, so yeah, I think that's it for this video, and also I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned. It's because giving you some nice tech vlogs here in my channel. So anything gaming and techs and gadgets, everyday carry, for camping, backpacking, trekking, anything that it is related to the tech, right? Or anything is related to tech here in my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned. It's because I'm gonna giving you some of my good stuffs here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright.